Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a review of the Dune Deluxe Edition. The edition comes from Ace Books and Penguin. It comes with artwork from Matt Griffin. The dust cover or dust jacket is embossed, so the letters stand out quite nicely. And the dust cover itself has a metallic matte type texture to it, which gives it a nice shine. The edges of the paper are stained blue, like the eyes of the Ibad. The first end paper illustration is entitled Home to the Siege. It features Fremen entering a cave. And I think they have glow globes. On the flip side of the dust jacket we have a beautiful surprise. It's an illustration called Chani, and it's really quite beautiful. It's almost as striking as the image of Muad'Dib on the cover itself. Chani is just as powerful looking as Muad'Dib, with her Chris knife and her eyes of the Ibad. And it's beautiful to see the two moons of Arrakis in the background. It could almost be a front cover in its own right. I'm a big fan of hardbacks, so to find a new hardback as detailed in quality as this is really a treat for everyone. The spine is beautifully gilded in gold, with Dune written in bold. The litany against fear is stamped right into the front cover of the book. The book itself is bound with black ribbon. Stamped into the back of the hardback book is the circle motif, which also appears on the spine with the silhouette of Muad'Dib. It appears that a prominent feature of this book is the image of Muad'Dib with this circle. It appears on the spine, it appears on the front cover, on the dust jacket, and it appears inside the book itself. The second end paper shows Muad'Dib confronting the giant sandworm. The artist Matt Griffin calls this end paper simply Shai Hulud. And it's really beautiful because he has the thumper in the desert sand and you can see the giant teeth of the sandworm. With again the two moons of Arrakis, which is a nice touch. I like how both end papers use the desert moon motif. At the back of the book includes a map, newly illustrated. The typeface and font in the new edition is very easy to read and pleasant to the eyes. Overall, I think this is a great new edition. It would make a great gift. It's a nice, fresh, new, modern edition. And if you don't want to give away your own copy of Dune, which you've kept for years, this would make a nice present or gift to give to someone else, to pass it on to the new generation. If you like the look of this edition and would like to buy a copy, you can find a link in the description below. Thank you for watching my review, guys. If you enjoy my videos, please support me on Patreon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.